Miss, what's an improper fraction?
So you
Miss, can't you simplify that?
you can well spotted because okay, good.
Miss, can I do the third one?
Yeah, you can. Hi everyone, welcome back to 𝐸𝐸. This is Maggie. Hope everyone is fine. Before we go into the topic, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button so that you get all my videos as your notification. Today I will be taking a topic called fraction. This topic is extremely useful for primary students who are also preparing for 11 plus and also applying for grammar school leading to the secondary school GCSE. Please watch till the end without skipping anything, otherwise you will miss all the key elements for this topic. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so your topic is fraction, which is first we start from simplifying fractions. I have put some of the questions on the board, so I'm just going to show this one first. 15 over 36, which you need to find a common factor for both of them, and then you divide that one and then you will bring the answer. So the common factor for this 15 and 36 is, what we can do is 3. So we need to divide this by 3. Divide this by 3. So when you divide 15 divide by 3, you get 5. And then if you divide 36 divide by 3, you get 12. So you can't simplify more than this. So your answer is 5 over the 12. The next one, 9 over the 45. So if you see this one, the same thing, you need to find the common factor. So what is the common factor here?
9.
Okay, so you divide the common factor by 9. You divide by 9. So 9 divided by 9 is nothing but 1. And then 45 divided by 9 will be 5. So your answer is 1 over the 5. So I'm going to ask one of them to do this, which is 72 over 162, which is a bigger number. I think some of them will come across fractions because we do lots of fractions in primary school. But this is going to be very useful one when you come to 11 plus grammar school and for your secondary school. So you definitely have to know fractions very well. Okay. What is the common factor for 72?
You can divide by 9, I think.
So you can divide by 9. Okay. So when you divide 72 divide by 9, what will be your?
8.
8. Okay. So what will be the next?
Is it 18?
It takes time because it's a bigger number, 18. So is that, can we still find a common factor for 8 over 18?
Yes, we can still simplify further. Divide by 2.
So divide by 2. Divide by 2.
So 4.
So which will be 8 divided by 2 is 4.
And then 80 divided by 2 is 9.
9.
And it's simplified, so yeah, I think that's the answer.
So that's the answer. You can't simplify this because you have a even number on the top and the odd number on the bottom. Okay, well done.
Miss, what is an improper fraction?
So your improper fraction is, this topic is like improper to mixed fraction. So improper fraction is like in the denominator, we have a smallest number and the numerator we should have a bigger number.
Oh, okay.
So then only you can find the mixed number for that.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so if you see 9 over 5, that means you need to divide 5 from 9. So that means how many times 5 goes in 9? Which is one time. And then you need to find what is the, if you go 5 times like this, let me show you this. Okay, for example, you divide like this. How many times 5 goes in 9 is 1 times, and you have a 5. And whatever balance you have, which is 4, you will write this one on the top, and then whatever number you have in the denominator, you will write like this. So if you see here, this should be a bigger number, and then in between you should have to write your remainder and your bottom number.
Oh, okay, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going to do the next one, which is a bigger number now, the same way. So 24 divided by 18, which is over 18. So if you see here the small number and this is a big number, like this we need to do. If you don't know how to do, if you don't know 18 times, you can also do this way like you normally do in your division. So how many times 18 goes in 24 is 1 time. And then you have a balance of how much you have?
6.
6. Okay. So now you need to write now goes in 1, which should be a bigger number, and then your remainder comes here, and then you divide this 18.
Miss, can't you simplify that?
You can, well spotted, because you have 6 and 18, like you did like simplifying. Then you need to find a common factor. You can also simplify. So how many times 6 goes?
Oh, miss, you could divide it by 6.
You can divide by 6, good. So you divide by 6, divide by 6. That will give you write the whole big whole number 1. And then if you divide 6 over 6 will be nothing but 1. Then how many times 6 goes in 18?
3.
3. So your answer you can more simplify, and then you bring your answers like this. Okay, good.
Miss, can I do the third one?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so you have to check how many 6s can go to 13. So I believe it is 2.
Okay, 6 goes how many times in 2, which is 2, a big number.
And then it leaves a remainder of 1. So you put that on the top.
Yeah.
And then you put the denominator the same, so 6. And I think that's the answer.
So that's the answer, because you can't simplify further. Well done. Excellent. Okay, this time we are going to do mixed to improper fraction. So we already did like improper to mixed. So everyone now know how the mixed number should look like. So now you know how the improper number will look like. So now if you have the mixed number like this, you have what we need to do first is you need to times this one, and then after when you times it, you need to add this one to bring your answer. So which is 2 times 10 is 20. 20 add 9 is 29. So your answer is 29 over 10. So you can't simplify this because they are asking only mixed to improper. Even though it's smaller number, we already have a mixed number to improper. So you don't have to simplify anything. So the next one is the same thing. I'm just going to do again this one. So what we need to do first here?
You have to times.
You need to times this one.
And then add
to the top. Okay, so which is 3 times 9 is 27. And then 27 add 1 will become 28. So we have to put 28 over whatever you have. The number in the bottom of the mixed fraction, which is your 9, should come below that. Okay, this one is a little bit bigger number. I'm going to ask one of my students to do that. Okay.
Okay, so
is anyone?
Times.
Okay. 15 times 7. So
Yes.
it's against times and add.
15 times 7 is 105.
15 times 7 is 105. Is that right? Yes.
And then you have to do 105 plus 5
Is
110.
105 plus 5 is 110. And then you write that.
Divide by 7.
7. Good. Excellent. Both of you. Hope you understood this. Post your comment. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Until I see you in my next video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you, Maggie signing off from you. Bye.
Please subscribe to my mom channel.